Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi A4 fuel filter. First, gather all your tools and the new filter. Make sure your car is on a level surface and the engine is completely cool. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before beginning any work. This prevents accidental electrical issues. We'll cover each step carefully to ensure a smooth replacement process. Next, you'll need to locate the fuel filter. On most Audi A4 models, it's found underneath the car, often near the rear axle. Before disconnecting any lines, it's crucial to depressurize the fuel system. Do this by removing the fuel pump fuse, then briefly start the engine until it stalls. This ensures minimal fuel spillage when you disconnect the lines. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Oala water bottle. It's perfect for keeping you refreshed during any DIY project, even a fuel filter change. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, prepare for removal. Position a drain pan directly under the fuel filter to catch any residual fuel. Carefully disconnect the fuel lines, noting their orientation, and any electrical connectors attached to the filter. Once all connections are free, unclip or unbolt the old fuel filter from its mounting bracket. Be ready for a small amount of fuel to escape. With the old filter out, it's time to install the new one. Pay close attention to the flow direction arrow on the new filter. It must point towards the engine. Securely reconnect all fuel lines and any electrical connectors. Finally, reattach the new filter to its mounting bracket, making sure it's held firmly in place. Double-check all connections for tightness.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.